Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to do this makeup look that I created for Valentine's Day. It's like a glitter eye makeup look, but the rest of the face looks pretty subtle. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get this video started. Please subscribe to my channel and we will begin with the eye makeup first. So I'm taking this Huda Beauty palette and I'm going to go in with the transition shade first, and I'm just trying to go like a little more up close with the eye makeup in this video. So I'm just going to brush that on my upper crease area, and then I'm going to go for a slightly deeper color that I'm going to place on the outer corner and on the inner corner. As you can see, this is a halo kind of an eye look. So I'm going to do that, and then with the same brush I'm just going to softly brush, like blend both the colors. Next, I'm going in with a slightly deeper color, both again on the inner and outer corner. And I'm just taking the first brush again and I'm just going to blend that out. Next, I'm taking this glitter shade that is there in the palette and I'm just going to place that on the center part of my lids and then go ahead with a smoky um, liner kind of a look. So I just used a black eyeshadow for that. Moving on to the face makeup, I just use like an aloe vera gel for a primer, and then I'm using this Kiko Milano concealer for my under eye area to slightly color correct. And then I'm basically taking this palette from Kryolan and I'm taking the shade G51, I think, yeah, something like that. And I'm taking this YShe Pro uh, foundation brush to apply the foundation on my like face and neck as well. Then I'm going in with a lighter color from the same Kryolan palette, and I'm taking the small blender that comes with the YShe blender, and I'm going to like do the cream highlighting part and blending part with the same blender. And once that is done, I'm going to use this NYX Total Control foundation for contouring. I'm just going to place the color, and then I'm taking this flat brush to kind of blend the foundation like the one I'm using as a contour. And right now it looks a bit harsh, but then everything goes back to normal just with like I'm just taking this foundation brush that I use, so it will soften up the edges of the contour. So once that step is done, I'm going to slightly just powder my under eye area. I'm not going to use powder on my whole entire face. And then I'm going to go ahead with this Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold highlighter on the high points of my face. I'm using like a blending brush to do the job. And then I'm also going to take a smaller brush and apply that on the inner corner and also like under the brow bone. And going to do the same thing on the other eye. Next, I'm taking the same color that I used as a transition shade for the blush. I just wanted to have that color as my blush and I didn't quite have the same color. So I'm just going to take that on the YShe powder brush and I'm just going to apply that. And then I'm taking this Jessup makeup brush and I'm using the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer to lightly bronze up the face, not going like too heavy with the bronzer. And then we can move on to the lower lash line. I'm using both of these shades that I use in the crease, and I'm just going to apply them on with like a blending brush on the lower lash line. And I just wanted something little like metallic and shiny on the lower lash line, so I'm taking that shade and I'm just going to run that. And for the lower lash line, I'm using like a brown eyeliner. And then final step is to line and fill in the lips. I'm using the L'Oreal Rouge lipstick, and just for the center part of my lips I'm just using a little bit of a highlighter. So I hope you all like this look and give this look a try this Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. See you.